good day everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Well, today we want to talk about data roaming and what data roaming is used for in our mobile devices. So a lot of us must have been seeing this option in our setting, the data roaming, and quite a number of us don't even know what this data roaming is used for. So data roaming service is used as a means to connect with another network that is actually not your network that you are using. And the data roaming is used mostly when you are outside your home country, like when you travel abroad, when you travel to a different country, and maybe you want to access them, because when you travel to your to another country and you discover that some of the SIM card or some of the network that you are using in your country before you travel, you will see that the network will not be that maybe strong, or it's not even working in that very particular country that you travel to. So this data roaming help you to locate any network service carrier around you that has an agreement with the network that you are actually using. So what it actually does is that it helps you to connect you to the nearby network that has a agreement with the present network that you are using. So that is just what data roaming does. So data roaming is very, very important, but it comes with its own disadvantage. Data roaming comes with its own disadvantage, and most of the disadvantage is that when you on your data roaming, first it incur extra data charges on your bill, because when you turn it on, and maybe when you are outside of your own country and you turn it on, it incurs more bill on you. So it is always good to turn it off, because so many of us have been, maybe like when there is not much network, maybe in their neighborhood, they usually decide to like turn the data roaming on, thinking that that is what is, that will make the network service to improve. But it is not. Data roaming is only used when you are not in your own country, when you travel out to a different country. So you can use it to connect to the nearby network which is around you, so that you can have a stable service in your phone. You can use it where you'll be using it to do your do your internet browsing and emailing and so on and so forth. So that is what data roaming is all about. So what it also does, drain your battery. Yes, data roaming can also drain your battery, like when you turn it on, and when you turn your data roaming on and it has actually maybe connected you to a nearby network service. So you see that some of the apps in your phone can be running on the background which you don't know, and that will be making data charges to be extremely high. So quite a lot of them. So it is always good to leave it off, because most phone that we are using, most smartphone that we are using, you will see that the data roaming is always off. So just leave it off. Data roaming is only used when you are not in your own home country. When you travel out maybe for a business trip, that's when you turn it on to to be able to connect with any other network carrier around you, so that you can be able to having the access to your network, and do your normal browsing and the so on and so forth. So that is just what data roaming is all about. So I hope you have learned new thing today. So always leave the data roaming off. Do not turn it on. It's not when you turn it on, it's not going to make your network to be strong, especially if you are in your country. It doesn't make your network to be strong. Okay, it will only just incur more charges for you, but it doesn't make it's not a booster. Because you see, it's maybe like it's a booster. Yeah, it's not a booster. It only just incur more data to you, but it doesn't. You can only use it when you are outside of your country. So that is what data roaming is all about. So I just want to bring it to our notice, so that a lot of us will know what this option in our setting stand for. So thank you very much.